Well, hello there, friends. It is autumn, and it has been for about a month, 2 months or so. It's been autumn for a little bit. Thanksgiving is coming up. We're gonna eat some delicious food. We're gonna have some fun. I gotta figure out what I'm making for dinner tonight, but before that, let me show you some autumn decorations around my apartment. I got this garland from Michael's and has these cool little wood leaves on them. And of course, my troll. I got this one for my birthday from my parents. Isn't he cute? Now I had a bit of a hard time finding some turkeys, like turkey decorations, now that we're so close to Thanksgiving. But I made this one myself. I saw this at Michael's, the little terracotta pot, and then I was like, pom-poms, some feathers. We can do this. And then they have these little pumpkins as well. So I got some of those, kind of completes the look. And then my sister, she got that from a friend. This was also a birthday gift from my mother-in-law. It's so cute. And this candle smells really good. It's sweet rosemary vanilla. But yeah, I like this little autumn candle holder. So cool. I like the fox on it. That's cute. This tablecloth I also got from Michael's. I love it. So pretty. And then the scarecrow and the pumpkin. They're cute too. I have some more of this garland just hanging up over here. And this is backwards. I was cooking the other night and put it backwards. But I also have these little birds. I noticed that for every season, all these craft stores have these little birds. And my troll with this other bird. So for every season, I will be buying these little birds. So cute. And I liked this pumpkin too. I got this one at the same time that I got the other one. Now that I think of it, I'm pretty sure I got these from Joann Fabrics. And these, I know I got these from Hobby Lobby. They're super cute. I liked this thing here. It's just really cute for the kitchen. And I have this. This was a little bridal shower gift that I got from one of my friends. It is cute. Well, that's it for all the autumn decorations. My collection so far. And that same day I got all those random little decorations. I found these at Soul Sisters. It's an antique store in Dawsonville, Georgia. And I want to collect more of these little vintage food boxes because I think they're really cool. Maybe along with some more vintage kitchen utensils and bowls and stuff, like my vintage Tupperware. And I got this candy cane at work yesterday. This little girl comes up to me and she's wearing this like little elf hat, and it's you know, one of those Santa Claus hats with the elf ears on the side. But she had this basket full of candy canes. She looks at me and she goes, "Do you like a candy cane?" And then she handed this to me and I was like, yes, I know it's not, you know, Christmas right now, but dude, I will take a candy cane. Tilly, what's going on? Why are you standing like that?
Call her over.
Come here, Tilly. You want a cookie? You want a cookie? Cookie?
Chloe, you want a cookie?
Oh, come on, let's get cookie.
Come here.
Come here. Why are you walking like that? Sit. She's going backwards. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Sit. Sit. That's good girl. Good girl. Now I just got back home from the grocery store and I'm in my pajamas now. Look at them. Look, it's Lion King. Hakuna Matata. I love this sweater. Tilly, do you like yours? Do you like your pajamas? Pajamas? I don't think she likes them. Oh. Oh. I love you, buddy. I don't think she likes the little pajamas she's wearing. She was just standing in one spot and like not moving. So before Tim went to work today, we watched some of our honeymoon videos from Disney World, and I'm so thankful that we have all those memories right there, and our family has gotten to watch them, and it was just a ton of fun. We had so much fun at Disney World and had a lot of fun together hanging out, and I loved seeing all of his reactions on all these different rides and stuff. He's like just so animated, and I love that about him. But it was fun. It was so much fun. We really want to go back, but you know, we will in time. And I figured out what I'm doing for dinner. I'm doing some tilapia, some scramps, mashed potatoes, brown gravy, and green beans. Now also I have some wonton wrappers that I got from the Super H Mart, and I'm going to make some, not crab rangoon, I'm gonna make some shrimp ragu. But yes, with the cream cheese and all, just with shrimp instead. So I'm gonna take some of the shrimp and like saute it or bake it. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. But and then I'm gonna take some of the other shrimp and put it in some, you know, wonton wrappers with some cream cheese. It's gonna be delicious. Now I have the beat up egg for the wonton wrapper. And my cream cheese mixture with the shrimp. I also added garlic and horse sauce. Now I'm going to assemble all the rangoons before I fry them, just to keep things at a steady, consistent pace. And these are the wonton wrappers that I'm using, the twin dragon ones. Now they have bigger ones, so I don't mind these. I just put a little bit of the egg wash on my finger and then put it on the edges here. It's hard to do while holding a camera or phone. Then you put a little bit of the filling in the middle, and now you're ready to fold. Now I'm not a pro at folding these, but in time I shall learn. That's what I did. I kind of just folded the corners in together and then sealed the edges tight, and then made sure that there's no air pockets. Now there are plenty of videos out here on YouTube on how to make these, well, crab rangoon. So go find your favorite, and I'll show you how mine turn out once I make them all and then stopped frying them. All right, now they're all ready to be fried up, and they're done frying. Now some of these, like this one right here, had a big summer blowout, so I had to take it out early, but they look good. Wow, shrimp rangoon is really good. And this is what I made for dinner. So good. Tilapia, green beans, mashed potatoes, brown gravy, and shrimp. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed making this video, and I hope you come back for more. Bye!